Samsung seems to be going all in with AI this year and will incorporate fresh AI features to help enhance the user experience. More to the point, AI appears to be at the very core of what makes Samsung devices more special. Galaxy S24 promo leaks suggest AI camera feature to move or delete objects. It appears from leak that Samsung will be giving the Galaxy S24 series the capabilities to move, shrink, and completely delete objects from a photo in post-processing. In this image, you can see a person on a BMX bike riding up a ramp. With the power of an AI-based generate button, the person in the image is moved to show them in the air as opposed to just barely touching down on the ramp edge. This makes for a more exciting shot. You can also see a box around the rider, with anchor points for shrinking and rotating the subject prior to hitting the generate button. So it seems users will have a decent amount of control in adjusting subjects to get a better outcome for photos. Camera details confirmed. Galaxy S24 will feature a 12-megapixel selfie camera on the front with a new sensor. For the main camera setup on the back, the Galaxy S24 will have a 10-megapixels camera with 3x optical zoom, a 50-megapixels wide-angle lens camera with 2x optical quality zoom, and a 12-megapixels ultra-wide lens camera. The 10-megapixels camera on the Galaxy S24 may be a telephoto lens. The Galaxy S24 Ultra bumps things up with a fourth camera on the back. The 10-megapixels camera looks to be the same as on the regular Galaxy S24. The 12-megapixels ultra-wide camera looks the same as well. Where things get interesting is with the 50-megapixels camera. This camera on the Galaxy S24 Ultra uses 5x optical zoom instead of 3x optical zoom. It also adds 10x optical quality zoom. As for the fourth camera, this is the 200 megapixels wide-angle lens and it features 2x optical quality zoom. Then, of course, there's the 12 megapixels selfie camera on the front.